This Coldwell Banker Elite, Realtors property video is presented by Amber Stewart. Lakeside location and oh so convenient to everything. Very versatile floor plan. Large family room with fireplace and bookcases. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Master suite has lake view, access to deck. Great closet and bath. Wood flooring and new roof being installed within the next 3 weeks. Enjoy the ducks, geese, and all the peace and tranquility. For more information, review the details below or contact Amber Stewart at 903-832-2486.